Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in wherever you wish to download new default app. In my case, SMS Messenger. Now, after installing your apps, go into Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps section. Then click on Manage Apps and tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Over here, you need to choose Default Apps and tap on one of those sections. In my case, Messaging. Then tap on an app that you wish to apply and go back. As you can see, my default one has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!